We live?
Yeah, yeah,
We live.
yeah.
Welcome in, friends. There's no one here yet, but
Yeah.
if you're watching on YouTube, if you're watching back on YouTube, we are.
Yeah.
So that's what's up. Good morning, Lawrence. How are you?
Mhm. I'm good, bro. I'm waiting for my tea to finish. It's one of those mornings for me.
You're a tea guy.
I am a tea guy. I'm not a coffee guy. I don't drink coffee. Did I tell you that? I don't
No,
drink
I
coffee.
didn't know that.
Yeah, no, I'm not a coffee guy.
This is
That
my
shit is like
this is my
that's just like
perfect
crack in the
time.
80s.
This is my perfect time to make the joke. I'm a tea guy as well, but my tea is testosterone, so it's just a little bit different. I had to
I
make
need
that joke.
more of
I thought
that.
it was
I need
perfect.
more of that.
All right, we're having a repeat of yesterday. Okay, so game plan. What I'm focused on today
hmm
is back to this daily range.
hmm
I have a level at 21,617 on my other chart, which is
hmm
basically, I think it came from the highs over here. Yeah, basically kind of like just the highs over here, which is like the lows of this area. Basically, they're kind of like the lows of this structure. So we already broke prior day high. And we talked about this yesterday when this range, right? And then obviously, dude, the bulls are just resilient in this shit. Like we just keep being resilient. So until they prove otherwise, the bulls are just in control. We'll for sure eventually take out this liquidity way up here at 865. I don't expect that to happen today, but
hmm
that's definitely going to be a focus. But what I'm watching for is we have Jolt's job data at 10 a.m. And I
Is that
think that,
red folder?
yeah, that's red folder. So that'll be a big market mover for sure. So that's right at 10 a.m. And then other than that, we don't really we have some FOMC speak kind of like mid-afternoon, but we'll be long gone by then. Yeah, so 10 a.m. is going to be the main thing. So pretty much very similar. Going to be just a bit more patient today.
hmm
If we pull up into the 617 area and reject it, I'm going to look for the short back down towards volume point of control, near-term volume point of control. So I'm going to share the sauce with everyone because not too many people know about this. I need to actually share my other screen to show this because I can't even show it on here. So let me present this. Welcome in, everyone. By the way, throw some comments in the chat. Say good morning. Don't be rude. Say what up.
All right. No, right. You just came in here. Just come in here. Like, how do you just walk into somebody's house and not say nothing?
Yeah, you don't say.
Like,
Yeah, you don't
you
say
just
hi.
sneak
You got
in.
to
You
say.
just sneak in there.
You just come in. You just want to take the trades and leave. Well, you know what? I'm full porting minis into red folder news, and it's going to win or it's not. So we'll see. No, I'm just kidding.
I
So
guarantee you,
let's
it's
pull
not
this up.
gonna
Let's pull this up
win.
here. Okay. So no one make fun of my charts because everyone's going to. But this, for me, near-term volume point of control. You can actually see it really clearly on this chart. For anyone that doesn't
Mhm.
understand this, volume point of control is basically just the accumulation of volume done at a certain price. So see how like there's these like big like nodes here, and see how it's really big over here in this red line. So the most volume that's been done, basically the price that's been traded the most within this is only like a 5-day time frame. So that's why also like we're intraday traders. I don't really care about super big charts. You can look at bigger ones if
Mhm.
you want. If you go through them like 15 minute to like the hourly, for example, you'll notice it kind of shifts, right? So it just went down to like 421. It's still, but still, see, there's so much volume being done up here. So all that tells me is basically this once we get back above it and really sustain above it, this should act as support now. That's kind of how I like to look at it, at least, and how I like to use near-term volume point of control. So this should act as support. So right now with this reject, I would not be surprised to see us come down all the way towards 460s, 450 area. But like once we come into here, if we do come into here, this is like I'm watching this area to be support. I don't expect this to
Mhm.
break down really unless we really have some catalyst. It would kind of be difficult. So if we
Mhm.
come into this area, I'm gonna look for longs for sure. And especially if we're getting rejects up here and kind of slowly trade down into it. Um, that's my plan. So this volume point of control, hopefully that kind of explains it to everyone in the chat, and it makes sense. But like that is the idea behind how I like to use it. So we got red folder news. Like I said, I'm gonna kind of see how this zone is treated, but that is like my That's my trampoline pullback area for the day. Pull back into here, bounce, maybe eventually go back higher. But yeah, that's what I got today. So other than that, I'm just going to be chilling. Prior day high is going to be important too, but we're kind of actually already rejecting pretty hard. Let's bring back up, bring up my other screen.
Morning. Top of the top, Brian. Good morning, Josh. You're beautiful yourself. You beautiful man. Charles, what's going on, man? Good morning.
Good morning.
Had a 31 people, 3 people said good morning, so that means there's 28 creepers in here.
That's how it works.
Looking at us.
That's how it
Just
works.
watching
It shows, we actually almost had more viewing in from YouTube than X. Yesterday it was, as time goes on,
The other
X
way around.
really builds. Yeah, but I'm not sharing let me share my screen. Okay. So yeah, we're kind of just chilling right now. Personally, what I really like about live streaming is I don't feel this big urge to trade the open, because the open normally just gets me in trouble anyways. So it's kind of nice. So it's, it might be a little quote unquote boring for 15-20 minutes, but at least you got me and Lawrence to shoot the shit and hang out.
Yeah.
That's why you're here in the chat. You say what up, say good morning, ask any questions on trading, anything you want.
Is 9 to 5 modern slavery?
Is 9 to 5 modern slavery?
Yeah.
I think 9 to 5 is modern slavery if you feel like you're stuck in your job, for sure. Like I definitely, like, if you are stuck in your job and you feel like you have no way out, then yeah, to me that makes sense. But like if you have a skill set, I think it's different, dude. Okay, here's an example. If you work a 9 to 5 as a computer engineer, software developer, you can hop around. You got autonomy, bro, right? You can go company to company. Like it's a skill that is very transferable. But if you have a 9 to 5 for I don't know, like you work like customer service for a unique company and a specific product that you learn from the ground up, right? It's very, very different. Good morning, ASFX. We got Austin in the chat. What's up? Desmond, what's up, brother? Good morning. Alex, sell, buy, do something, dance for me. We're chilling right now, Austin. We got Red Folder News at 10 a.m. So we're kind of letting this play out here. Nothing super sexy at the moment, but
me.
Yeah, but Lawrence, just that's it. So like I am intrigued to attempt this short down towards that volume point of control area for sure. Like I'm interested in that, but I'm gonna be good. I'm not gonna be influenced by Austin's degenerate ass just because he wants to see some action.
Yeah, that guy's digging. That degenerate.
Tell bye, do something for me. Morning, Martin. Good morning.
Yeah, no, I think a 9 to 5 is modern slavery if you're not using it as a tool to invest. Like, not everybody can be entrepreneurs, but everybody can invest.
For sure. And
yeah.
Okay, okay, actually I have a really good question for you.
What's up?
Okay, I'm trying to figure.
Don't ask me something that's going to get me in trouble either.
No, it's not. No, it's not. I'm trying to figure out how to phrase this. So I already know your answer to it, but I just want to hear you explain it. So, is it easier to save $10,000 or make $10,000?
Make.
Yeah.
Make. Yeah, it's just like saving $10,000 is like, man, one, not only does it like induce that scarcity mindset, but it's like you can't fucking live, you can't move, you can't do anything, you just don't. Oh my gosh, my tea is going. Hold on real quick. I'll be back. Give me 2 seconds.
He needs to get his tea. Lawrence is a tea guy. I said I'm a tea guy, but my tea is testosterone, just different. So good morning, guys. Good morning. So we're getting a little bit of action. So again, this is that short I kind of like. Back to my game plan. I like this rejection of prior day high down and towards the volume point of control, but we have VWAP right below here. So it's just not what am I going to catch here? Fucking 30 points, if that. Like, no, I'd rather kind of just be patient because I really feel like with this job data coming out at 10 a.m., I feel like we're really going to dance for a bit pretty much until then. And we can kind of see that now, right? We're not getting tons of follow through. It's trying, it's fighting. I guarantee you it's probably going to come down here to VWAP. We'll probably get the bounce. I might And like, I kind of want to attempt to bounce there. But again, like all of this right here is telling me to just kind of chill for now. There's just not a lot going on. And I just want to wait. Like, it's like, I just want to wait. I just want to be patient. So that is like my whole thing right now. Yeah. It feels good just to be patient and chill, you know?
Yeah, man. But yeah, like I was saying, $10,000. Yeah, it's easier to make it than to save it, because saving it is like, damn, bro, like, man, you're not gonna be able to move. You got bills coming in. You're gonna have to pay for something. Every time you step outside, it's gonna cost you $100. It's just, yeah, like, you know, and then, you know, I don't think making 10 grand is that hard to do, as long as you're not lazy. Like, you can go on Craigslist and do a whole bunch of shit just to make that 10 grand. You just can't be lazy.
Well, so here's the thing is, I think a lot of boomers are taught this. It's the old mindset, dude. It's the 9-to-5 mindset. It's
scarcity.
Like, yeah, scarcity, because they're like, that is when you focus on just saving money, your brain is like, oh, this is my fixed income, right? And that's kind of old school way of thinking of like, this is how much money my job brings in. I make X amount of dollars. Like, that's it. Versus like, I can learn a new skill that's going to make me something, that's going to make me money. Therefore, it's always easier to
indefinitely
save more money. So here's a good story behind it. I remember when I first started trading, got into it, when I quit my job full time. I used to be like the saver, dude. I was saving all this money, like, you know, like to quit my job, which I did. Like, luckily, I saved up about 50 grand before I could quit, and that definitely helped propel me. But I remember being so attached to like my stocks and like attached to like, you know, like everything I was saving. And I was so attached to it that when push came to shove, and finally I started getting into like the rabbit hole a little bit during my first couple of years of trading, where I was like losing a bunch of money. I remember finally I had to make that switch in my brain, going like, Tanner, you're going to have to sell some of this stuff to fund your dream. And you will literally, you're building a skill that's going to make you so much money that you selling this 10 grand here, or like, you know, 20 grand here, it's going to pay off ultimately. And so I had to it took me a while to like kind of make that shift, because I was so attached, dude. Especially, I had like a bunch of fucking growth stocks during COVID, dude. Like right when it popped off, I remember just watching that shit every day, just like go up and up and up and up. And I remember having like 40 or 50K like in stocks, and then just slowly but surely like having to like sell some off. And then obviously like that boom kind of ended, so they naturally went down. And I just remember being so attached to it and being like, I don't want to sell this, dude. I don't want to sell this. And then eventually I kind of started to have to like force myself to get in that mindset of like, okay, it is easier to just build this skill. Not easier, I would say, but bigger picture, it makes more sense to build the skill to try to make more money over time and just bite the bullet now, dude. It's like, you got to take the risk, right? You got to fund the dream. So
if you had to make $10,000 in a week, how would you do it?
If I had to make 10,000, like literally,
you can't full port.
Can't full port 15 minutes.
No.
Okay. I would probably do, you know what I fuck with so hard is like the resale stuff, like the garage sale shit.
Yeah.
I probably like do the eBay thing where I like go to garage sales, find some stuff, thrift it. That stuff always works. Honestly though, I mean, 10 grand in a week. Yeah, that's probably how I'd have to do that. But dude, Uber and like, you know, Uber Eats, I delivered pizza for a shit ton of time, bro. Like, you can actually make decent money delivering food. It's not like terrible, you know, you can do it. It's a grind for sure. But I've even seen those videos, dude, of some guys being like, oh, I made $10,000 driving Uber this month, or I made $10,000 doing Uber Eats. Like, yeah, they're grinding 12 hours a day, but theoretically you can do it. It's possible.
You could do it.
It's possible. So absolutely.
We're still waiting here. The market's
still waiting here. Yeah. As much as you guys just want us to full port some random shit,
which I'm totally down for sometimes.
We're trying to also set the example of like, this is actually what we do when we trade. So
my heart is telling me to full port.
Here we go. Look at this comment. Tanner set up an OnlyFans and traded in a Speedo. Honestly, bro,
I'd pay for that.
That might be my out. I might be done with this.
That's your $10,000 a week.
That's my $10,000 in a day, bro. That's my $10,000 in an hour right there.
Yeah.
Literally. That's it right there.
I'm offended that they don't want to see me in a Speedo. I actually look pretty good in a Speedo, honestly.
Did you
Yeah, I
see
mean,
did you ever see Risk Life News, Tyler?
no.
Okay, you gotta follow him on Instagram. Dude's fucking hilarious. He posted this video like a couple months ago. He made this whole like funny thing about like he's like Tanner, he's like the strong trader. He's like day trader or homoerotic OnlyFans creator. And he like went into
Oh
this
my
whole like
gosh.
conspiracy theory thing with it, and it was like so
Yeah.
funny. And my dad watches a bunch of stuff on Instagram, and he
What? So
calls
your
me and
dad saw it?
he's like, some guy's trying to out you, like he's trying
Got
to
you.
take you down and stuff. And I'm like, Dad, I know the dude, he's just trolling me. It's just a joke. And like he's like, I don't think that's funny. Like, I know you don't get it, but I'm like, he's not doing like it's whatever. But he
Dude
made this
just sat
fucking
there
hilarious.
and really sat there and made a video and studied
He
you.
literally sat there and made a video about it, bro. It was hilarious.
Yeah.
Guys in the chat, good morning. Any questions on anything while we're kind of waiting for this news? Feel free. Anything you want to know, more than welcome to say what up. We got,
Let's see.
like I said, we're really just waiting. Like we got that news, and so
It's at 10 o'clock.
yeah, it's at 10 o'clock. And again, expectation wise, right? Like we've only moved, like this is like a 40-point range in like the first 15 minutes. So it's really important that okay, I want to talk about setting expectations. I talk about this sometimes. The worst thing you can do is set expectations that every day is just going to be like a ripper and just like go to the moon and like go crazy. I
Mhm.
like setting those expectations where I'm like, okay, we have like news at this time or we have this at this time. It's probably going to be slow until then. And if it isn't, and I'm like, oh, okay, at least I'm not like going super ham, being like, why am I not getting a bigger move? Right. Because
Mhm.
literally when this bar is starting to break down here, I was like, I even talked about it. I was like, I could see this short potentially working, like maybe shorting from here, like down to volume point of control. And look, I'm glad I didn't, because we got this huge freaking bullish engulfing bar that came in. And I'm like, okay, no, like this is why I want to wait, because I have expectations that we're probably going to chop around here still until news or till around
Mhm.
news. And then basically something actually will happen from then. So that's pretty much the idea behind it.
I have my traders. Some of my traders, I have them screenshot the lockout settings before they trade to me.
Oh, good, dude. That's smart.
Yeah.
Who does
Before
that
you
for you
take
now?
you send me a picture of your locked out settings, your
Yeah.
locked out risk settings. Like you can't even change the shit. Send it to me.
I back that, bro. That's who does that really well. I think Christian does that. DTA, decide for the algo.
Mhm.
Yo, how was your pod with Austin? Doesn't that come out soon?
It's crazy. He told me when it's coming out, but I really don't remember because I was just happy to be there. Like I was just really just happy to work and just, create the pod, like the process of it. I just loved it. But it should be
Yeah.
coming out like I guess in a couple weeks.
Yeah.
But no, it was great. It was a good time. It was a good time, honestly. And
Yeah.
I love Austin's pod because I mean you're just free to be you. Like it's not even like,
Oh, yeah.
they're like giving you guardrails or anything like that. Like, no,
No.
say what you're gonna say, do what
Especially
you're
not
gonna do.
Austin, bro. Austin's
Yeah, I
not
know,
doing
right?
that. Austin
Yeah.
will get canceled over anything. He doesn't give a fuck.
Yeah.
But that's what makes him authentic, dude. That's why I love the
Yeah.
dude. It's about being authentic in the space. That's what it's about. So, dude, look at these. Okay, little lesson on signal bars, Lawrence. Look at this one, right? Big
Mhm.
3-minute bullish engulfing. Look at this follow through we
Mhm.
get, right?
Mhm.
Liquidity to liquidity. We just swept liquidity up here. Here's my 600 area.
I'm not
Let's see.
convinced that we're gonna continue to go long.
I'm not either, dude. I'm looking for the short, to be honest.
Yeah, exactly. I'm not convinced.
I just with data though, I just feel like I gotta wait. Gotta wait.
If I see my signal, I'm gonna take it, data or not. I'm going for the shit.
You gonna go for a short?
No, I'm saying once I see my signal, if it's before
Yeah.
data, I'm going for the shit.
Yeah. Okay.
Definitely.
It is more exciting to do it into data.
Yeah. Add a little edge there.
Add a little bit of edge there,
Feed the
baby.
gambler.
Feed it, dude. Feed it.
Yeah. I want everybody to know that I mean, the thing is, that we're really no better than anybody that trades. We're just aware of how we are and who we are. Like I
Yeah.
still get the urges to like
Amen,
do
bro.
degenerate shit. Like still till
Amen.
this day. I just don't act on it, honestly.
Amen, dude. Literally.
Yeah.
I'm in before dad. I got in at 59.48 long. Let's see. Let's pull up ES.
59.41.
Let's pull up ES for Brian here.
Yeah, let's look at it.
59.48. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
I like the signal bar here. I
don't think that's like I mean, I'm not
I
going to
don't
sit
think
here
it's
and comment on
terrible.
anybody's thing. It's still a little risky there.
Yeah. Again, I just personally want to wait. But I can see the fall. I mean, dude, if we just kind of like chop around and then data takes us, it's like
Yeah.
data can take
It's
us.
not a bad entry. It's really not a bad entry.
Okay,
I'm
yeah,
looking
it's not
at it.
terrible.
I'm looking at the 1 minute chart, and I would probably go for this, honestly.
Yeah. Where's the stop, Brian? I assume right below structure here.
I would put stops at
40.
where is this?
The 40s, 8 points.
Go to 1 minute. Go to the 1 minute chart.
I'm gonna go the 1 second chart just to piss you off.
Yeah. Right. Damn, that would have been my stop. That would have been my stop right there, honestly.
Well, yeah, that's the thing. It's just like just early for me personally, but let's see. Maybe it'll play out. Good luck, Brian. Godspeed to you, my friend.
Godspeed.
I kind of want to see the short.
Short this. Yeah.
I mean, well, yeah. I think I'm only leaning short again, just because that range idea, right? Like, I want to. Let me go back to MNQ. Just range playbook.
Mm-hmm.
Range playbook is like you want to be short near the high of the range and then long near the bottom of the range. That's why like this works so well right here, the bounce, right?
Yeah.
So, but it just I just feel like this data is really going to be the telling tale. But I feel like I love this rejection here, dude. I like the short.
I do too. I'm gonna wait a
wait.
second.
I'm gonna wait.
I'm gonna control myself.
I'm gonna wait. I'm
like a shark. I'm like a shark, and there's blood in the water right now.
Literally. NQ swept per day high, but yes, still not. Yes, that's a very good observation, actually. Yeah. NQ has swept per day high, but yes, it's not. What I like about this short potentially though too is like this subtle little sweep into 600.
Yeah,
that's. But again, like I would not be surprised to see data rip us up towards that 617 I'm looking for,
and then shoot us back
down,
then
pin and then pin. Yeah, it's like if we see that, I'm taking that short all the way down to the volume point of control 460s, bro. That would be fine. So it's kind of the idea.
Honestly, I would take this long. If I was
yeah, this long looks better. Yeah, it does.
I would take this long, honestly.
Well, probably. So for Brian's case,
should I take it? Let me see. I'm gonna wait.
I'm gonna wait.
I'm gonna wait a second.
For Brian's sake, for the long for ES, I mean, we'll probably have to sweep prior day high for data and then go lower. So more than likely 59.55 for ES. What is that? That's prior day high. So at least you could have that.
Brad, cop some merch. Good shit, Brad. You've been entered into the sweepstakes.
Cop your merch. Yeah, that's what's up. What's good, Brad? Good morning. Brad's one of my best friends. Showing the support. Dude, it's so funny. I moved into this new building and like all my best friends live here. Like really? Brad lives here. Yeah, my other buddy Greg lives here. Like just all the homies live here. It's fucking sick. They're just like we're all on different floors. It's almost like Friends, bro. I swear. We just got cruise like the show Friends. It's just like, oh, what up?
I did live like that for a little bit when I moved to Florida. Like we all lived in the same complex.
Yeah.
Not the same building, but just like the same complex. Yeah.
I'm actually going to drop this in the chat. Thanks for the reminder, Brad. Anyone that buys any shirt or hat or anything from strongtrading.com, you automatically get entered to win a free 150K straight to funded account with Top One Futures. So ends on Friday, but literally like anyone that buys anything. So I'll post it here. Let's see.
Patience pays.
Patience
with a Y. PAYTIENCE. Patience. A
free 150K.
If we wasn't on live stream right now, I definitely would have been in like 2 trades by now.
I know, right? I know, literally.
These longs do not look bad, Brian.
Yeah, it's looking
I
like
really want
it's
to
gonna
try.
work.
I do want to try it. I want to give it a shot, but I'm just not. I'm not there yet with you. Honestly, I'm just not there yet. I want to give it a shot
Hmm.
though.
I'm gonna be patient, dude. What's gonna happen is if we do just rip and go, I'm just gonna sit here and go, fuck. And I'm gonna be
We
like,
might, because
okay.
that's the thing. If these longs work out, Brian, if these longs work out, this shit's gonna rip. Like this
Hmm.
shit's gonna go. If this shit works, it's gonna go.
Hmm.
Let's see. If it works out, I think it's gonna go to at least. This works out. I think it's gonna go to at least 700s if
We
it
have
works
that.
out.
We have that 15-minute liquidity
Oh,
here.
thank you.
Are you looking at that? There's a
No.
this 15-minute liquidity here. Hold on, we'll go 30-minute. Probably easier to see.
Yeah.
Let me auto this real quick. Up here, bro. Up here
Mm,
into
mm-hmm.
693s. Yeah, 700s.
Yeah. That's yeah. I'm still not convinced on longs just yet. 30
YM and
minute.
RTY are weak. What is Nvidia doing, dude? Let's look at some of the big names here. Google's red. Google's
This
nice and
doesn't
red.
know anything.
Let's see.
I'm going short. I'm about to go short in a
You're
second.
trying it
Hold
here.
on. I'm gonna wait a second. I need a little more confirmation.
You got 4 minutes, bro.
I don't give a fuck. I'm going for it. Not yet. I'll let you know when I'm in. I need a little bit more. I need
I
a
need
little bit more. I need a little bit more.
I need one more sweep higher, bro.
Yeah.
It's not a bad. I mean, it's not a bad. I just feel like it's just going to be too many paper cuts trying it here. That's the problem. That's the problem. I want my 617 to be tested, bro. We're getting
Yeah,
there.
I think we're going short, bro.
I did
I think
too. I like
I think
it.
the market's about to come down. I could be wrong though, but I think you
I
don't
thunk.
have to know what happens next to make money.
I thunk it.
I thunk it.
One thing actually I love one of my mentor Kyle would always say, he's like, I'm not in the prediction business. He's like, I just watch what happens and I react to it.
Yes, I'm in the reaction business.
In the reaction is okay, cool. We're getting the pump here.
Mm-hmm.
Shout out Brian for his longs. You can get some traction here. We get the 617. We got what? 2.5 minutes to data here.
And if this, I hope this works out. I really hope this works out for Brian, bro, because this shit can go to 700s if it works. This could be a
Brad said,
100-point push,
Brad
Brian.
said AMD same day puts. AMD has been off my radar for a hot minute because I tried to catch this long on it and just got smoked, and it gave me Baba PTSD, bro. Because I tried to do this on Baba and lost like 8K or something. Hey, day 2, let's go. What are we mooning today, boys? What's good, Mike from Korea?
We're mooning today, boys.
What are we mooning today, boys? I love it. That's what's good. That's what's good. Amazing. No, and Brad, to answer your question, AMD same day puts. This thing's ripping. I would not probably touch it. I'm looking at my other screen here.
Yeah, no, that's nice.
Okay, let's see. Korean Mike. I love it. Okay, we got data coming up here in 90 seconds. We got data coming here in 90 seconds. Dude, I think I'm going to try this short, bro.
Me too. I'm in.
Order filled.
Me too.
I'm going for lower day.
I'm going to go for stop up here at like 620s. I'm going to add in here too. If we agree, I'm going to put like a limit order here, stop sell.
Mm-hmm.
And if we can get this rip down.
The ripper. We can get this ripper. I'm open to trying multiple times too.
Yeah, me too. That's why I put my stop at 2350. It might get swept, honestly, but let's see here. Let us see.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like they're going to bring it higher one more time before they bring it lower, though. That's the problem.
Probably, yeah.
I'm not really convinced.
Or
this
if
is-
anything, I probably should have waited till this closed back inside the range.
yeah.
But we'll find out. See, the more you fuck around, the more you find out.
The more you fuck around, the more you find out. Exactly. But if this works, I'm for sure going from my volume point of control area.
I'm going to. Oh, there we go.
10 seconds. 10 seconds. 10
Give me
seconds.
the push.
Give
me
us the fucking
push.
death. Get us the death candle.
Give me the push, bro.
Oh,
No!
oh. Don't take me out. Don't take me out. Look at this. 617.
Come on.
It didn't take me. It didn't take me. It didn't take
They're
me.
edging you.
They're edging me to not get stopped, bro. Oh, I'm putting my sell here if this fucking holds, dude. I'm adding down here.
Oh god, here it is.
Is
Oh
it?
god. Come down.
Dude, did I say 617 though? If this holds, is gonna be epic. Let's see. This is going right into my level. 617.
Die, you bitch. Die.
Literally die. Come on.
Die, you bitch. Oh, die.
No, it's gonna hold, dude. It's gonna hold.
Yeah. Ooh.
Let's go 15 second. Get some
Let's go
anxiety up in
15
here.
seconds.
15-second chart. Let's see.
I love this for you, Brian. Here we go.
ES isn't breaking the highs though yet. Dude, if this holds, if my stop holds, this is actually gonna be legendary.
You're
I think it's
amazing.
probably gonna stop me, but
I love this for you, Brian.
Brian's long ES though, and ES hasn't broken the highs.
Oh, he's long ES.
Yeah.
That's a game changer.
Let's see here. I feel like if I'm gonna add, I need to add like sooner than later.
Wait, I would wait till it breaks
Yeah,
breaks 605.
Yeah, I'm keeping it way down here. This ad, if I'm gonna add it, like once I'm back.
This dude's really on the 15-second chart, bro.
I am on
You're,
the 15
you're
second
funny
chart,
as fuck, bro.
First
Oh
TP
my
hit on
gosh.
MES when the market popped, holding 30%. Nice. Good management, Brian. This is why you said if this works out, this is why you just let it trade
Mhm.
and not touch it. It's probably gonna. I just feel like this for sure is gonna sweep me though. It just feels like it. Let's see. Okay, let's go to 3-minute. Yeah, look at this. It's trying so hard, dude. To just catch a bid here. It's catching it.
Order filled.
Brian is the
Stop me.
superior one here.
Yeah, he is. Stop me.
You are the superior one here, Brian. Cheers.
I'm not opposed to trying this one more time though. Up here, I still like this area. See, this might
Oh,
be
yeah.
here.
Not at all. If we come back down into that range, I'm going for it.
If we break back below 620, I'm gonna go for it.
My question is, what has to happen in order to switch the bias to longs?
I know you're right. You're for sure right, dude. Because so far, it's pretty good.
Yeah, Brian's the superior one here.
Nice job, Brian. No, I'm not getting any signal here or anything, bro. Still like it.
The importance of risk management, everybody.
Order
The
filled.
importance
Brian, one
of
more time.
risk management.
One more time. One more small attempt here. Let's see. One more small attempt.
Importance of risk management. He can try these attempts. He's only risking $100 here.
Order filled.
I added. Let's
Risking
see.
$200 here. If this shit
200
tanks, this could be probably like a 5 to 10 on,
Yeah, this would
depending
be
on how you.
risk
yeah.
reward if it plays out. I'm holding this shit for 450, bro. If it does tank, that's for sure.
450 is going for it all.
Okay, go to 3-minute.
I need a little bit more. I need to get back into that range before I enter again.
If we get back below 600, it would look really nice.
Yeah, definitely.
Let's see.
Is it Ashley? Where the fuck the function?
Where the fuck the function? Okay, here we go. Give us some follow through, please.
Give us the ripper.
Is the 15-second chart the lowest time interval? No, you can go 1 second if you're extremely degenerate. Want to see it?
I want to see it.
Oh God, dude, pure anxiety.
Bro, that is really bad. You want to talk about trauma?
Oh my God, dude.
Jesus.
It's so funny when you zoom out how gnarly that looks. Bro.
Oh my God.
Extreme anxiety.
That's not good.
I think I'm just wrong on this, dude. I think we're just longs.
Yeah. And if we are longs, I might not even take a trade today, honestly, because my entry was near Brian's entry.
Yeah, it's a tough one.
Yeah, my entry would have been 592.50 on NQ. That would have been my entry for longs.
Mm-hmm.
So if we skyrocket, it's over for me.
Yeah, the worst thing you can do is just like try so many times to where you're mentally just drained. I hate doing that shit, bro. But I feel like we have to fill this wick here now. It doesn't look good.
Baby girl.
Oh, baby girl. I love it.
I love this, Brian. I love seeing all my boys.
Seeing the boys eat.
Mm-hmm. I need to get on the stream with Nick. Speaking about eating.
Nick,
time to eat.
Oh, time to eat. I don't really follow his stuff actually. I need to look at stuff more.
He's pretty solid. I like Nick. He's the man that all mothers want their sons to be. For real. He just makes you so proud. Yeah, he says prayer before his trades on live stream.
Good man.
He eats steak. He has kids. You know,
I respect that.
He drives an AMG. Like Jesus, bro.
A lot of
like,
respect, bro.
Just a perfect fucking guy.
Just a perfect man.
Right.
Give us a push down here, bro. Let's go.
Give us the pusher.
Give us the pusher. Do I cover some here in the 95s?
No, you go for that shit. We go back in that range. This shit is gone, brother.
Yeah, I think you're right. 600s though here. I feel like for sure it's gonna bounce some.
Or it may not. I'm gonna be honest with you. It may not.
It's a decent rejection so far though.
Mm-hmm.
Decent bar for sure.
Yeah.
Very, very decent bar. Ooh, ES is breaking. ES is breaking down. You're short. Okay.
Yep.
I'm gonna take some. I'm gonna take
638. Profit targets at 500.
I'm covering some here. I'm gonna cover 3 here.
Go ahead and cover some.
Because we have VWAP right there on QQQ.
Mm-hmm.
Cover me some. Give me 60s.
This is the beauty of risk management.
Let's go. Let's look at that. Look at that.
This is the beauty of risk management. The dude got a couple scratches, only risking $100 and covered at how much did you cover at 800?
I covered 3 there, and that put me back into the green. And now this is basically
risking only $200.
I'm going, dude.
Risking only $200.
521 is my next cover. I'm covering more here. Limit buy. I'm gonna cover 2. No, 2 here.
Baby girl.
Actually, I'm gonna cover 3 here, bro.
Yeah, go ahead. Especially lower day. If it's lower day, cover most of it. I would say cover most of it for lower day, bro.
Yeah. It just we're bouncing right into VWAP here. That's what I don't like.
It's okay.
It's really aggressive bounce too. That's what I'm worried about. I need to see a lot of follow through here. I want to move I'm moving this to break even too, dude. I don't want to take this out.
I think Spy has more room to move.
I don't like this bounce, bro, at all. This is like my bounce
Yeah.
setup here in a nutshell. That's what I really don't like.
Yeah, that's just ugly.
This 2 minute looks disgusting for the short. Look at this fucking hammer, bro. It's like the worst thing you want to see.
Yeah, I'm back at my entry. It's all good. I'm sticking to my plan.
Yeah. I just hate being up like $600 and then like not
Giving it
closing.
all back.
Yeah, giving it all back.
At some point, it's irresponsible.
It's yeah, but
So what I like to do in this situation is kind of look to see what is the bullish. Like if I was to be a bull right now, what setup would I take?
I need to see this hammer break. That's what I want to see as a bull. Yeah, it's really good. Good point. It's like, yeah, what we want to see. This is what I want to see as a bear.
Yeah,
Is this
honestly,
hammer
I'm looking at the 1 minute chart, and I would damn near take this short. As soon as we go below 570s, I would take that short if I wasn't in a trade at all.
Yeah, it's kind of tough here, bro. I gotta really let I feel like if I let this breathe and just be super patient, it's gonna come all the way down to 65, 465. It's like really, really sink. I just hate how big and impulsy those two bars were. So I'm
Mhm.
like, see, I
There you
fucking hate
go.
this. This is not what I want to see.
Mhm. I will say this is a good try though. That was a phenomenal try. I can't say I regret this. Even if this is a loser, I cannot say that I regret this trade.
I think this is gonna hold, dude.
It is what it is.
It's pretty bullish.
What the fuck the function?
Let's see. Jay's in the chat. What's up, guys? What's up, Jay? Good to see you, brother. Currently short.
Are y'all bullish or bearish right now? Throw it
Yeah.
in the chat. Y'all bulls or bears? What's it looking like for y'all right now?
Bulls
I'm still
or
a bear.
bears?
I'm still a bear until proven otherwise.
It's crazy how this rejected my level, dude. Like perfectly almost.
Baby girl. Jay said he's sitting out, which I completely understand.
Yeah, respect.
Yeah, I completely understand that. Oop, look like I'm about to get stopped out here. We keep pumping like this.
Yeah, dude. Such a nice pullback to VWAP on fucking QQQ.
Mm-hmm. I will say this: I believe that if we get stopped out here, we're probably going to go to 700s. So, yeah. Well, if I get stopped out, me and you don't have the same stop.
Yeah.
Where the fuck the function?
This is such a classic pullback to VWAP too. This is like textbook working for the long. Yeah, I hate just like watching this fucking take me out. I'm like, I feel like I should just cover it here, bro.
Do what you got to do. Flatten all. Flatten all. Where the fuck the function?
Let's see. Give me a second.
Mm-hmm. The play ain't over till the play over. It ain't over till the over. Jay said, "Do it, bro. Flatten it.
Flatten it."
Yeah. Give it a second. This might be it. This might be it right here.
I'm gonna put it up to here, the top of here. There we go. I'm trailing responsibly.
Better than me.
I am trailing responsibly here. I feel like it's just gonna retest though my level and then dump again maybe.
Where the fuck the function? Jay said, "Take profit and run."
Take profit and run. No, I'll let it trail me. I'll just be systematic about it. I don't really care. Do it, Tanner.
Do it, Tanner.
Do it. Do it. Do it.
That is funny. Do that shit. I bet you won't. Do it, pussy. Do it.
Do it. Fucking do it.
Come on, get back in this range.
Yeah, bring him back down.
Get back in this
Bring him
range
back
and go down. Go back down.
Bouncing off 600 here.
Yeah.
Not looking good for the short.
No, sir. No, sure. I'm sure now at this point, I'm trying to make a decision. Like if I get stopped out, do I want to go long?
Yeah.
Because the thing is, I'm playing like that opening range sweep. So if this gets stopped, and this is a high quality trade, so if this gets stopped out, that means we're not ranging. We're going to be trending. We're
Yeah.
probably going to be going to the upside crazy. So I might actually go long once
Yeah,
I get stopped out here.
I don't blame you. Yeah, but
Excuse me.
I'm gonna be cautious, dude. I just hate being up fucking $600-700 and giving that all back. That's what pisses me off.
I mean, it is what it is. You know, it was a good try. You had a sniper entry, beautiful entry, and a damn sure, just like I was coming up, it damn sure could have came down. It damn sure could have tanked.
What's VIX doing? VIX is flat.
Where the fuck the function?
Order filled.
Fuck.
Well, at least you get a small green die. Go ahead and lock him up, buddy.
The day's not over, bro. I might take one more.
Lock him up, buddy.
I might take one more. We'll see. Give me a second.
Give me a second. Degenerate.
I know I am.
Degen.
Well, dude, I mean, will risk reward rise? It's like, dude, $200. I'm sorry.
He said it's not good enough. I can use this as a buffer just in case I lose the next one.
That's not good enough for me. I know I'm not trying to go up just dollar amounts, but like to be real.
Oh my god. Who are you?
I should have covered all of it down here, dude. I let it run retrace way too much.
Yeah. That's funny.
Just didn't pan out. Here's the retest here of this area.
This takes me on. I'm going long.
It's pretty good.
This was a great trade. That short was a really good trade.
That short was good. Yeah, that was a great short. And especially because I covered and managed it. Like I went from -300 to plus 220.
Yeah.
Rejecting 620 again here. This is decent. I see. I should have left my stop.
Momo.
I should have left my stop where it originally up here.
But yeah, my stop is at high day.
But then I would have risked like being down a little bit.
It's okay.
You can share your screen.
Oh,
you still in a trade?
Yeah.
Yeah, share your screen. I like the rejection here. I'm not gonna lie. That VWAP bounce, dude, was just dirty. Just a dirty one, dude.
Mm-hmm. Let's see if we get some follow through.
Let's see.
Don't pump. Don't pump. Baby girl.
Everything's indicating pretty bullish across the other markets, to be honest.
It's okay.
If we get one more sweep down below 72s here and hold.
I didn't see that SPY went to high day. I didn't see that.
Yeah, SPY's at high day.
Okay, that's not good. That's low key enough to pretty much change my bias.
It's a tough spot, dude.
I mean, I'm still going to stay in my position, but that's enough to switch my bias.
Tough spot.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
The thing is, all the other markets are just holding their VWAPs really well. YM's holding VWAP, RTY is holding VWAP, everything is holding fucking VWAP, dude. Like really, really nicely.
Yeah. Once I saw that high day by SPY, I'm pretty I'm pretty sure I'm about to get stopped. Now, if I do get stopped, the plan of action, I would have to size down possibly, and then I will go long. And if that's just a L, then I'm done for the day.
Everything's breaking pretty nice, dude.
hmm Yeah.
You're gonna hate
And
me,
that's
but
like,
I love this. There's a good setup on YM right now.
oh God, you're a fiend, bro. YM is not that good. It's not. I promise you, YM is not that good, bro. You might as well trade ES. You'll make more. YM just seems real janky to me.
You know, it's the boomer move, dude.
I don't like boomers. I'm gonna be honest with you.
I don't like boomers.
I don't. I can't stand boomers. And I like old people. For real. They should have like their own like sovereignty.
They should.
Have their own like little government somewhere on the island. And like nobody nobody over the age of 50. Nobody over the age of 50 should be president.
I know it's like
55 max.
we saw what happened with Biden. What? We get canceled on day 2.
Oh my God, you're stupid, bro.
Oh God.
Let this be it.
Oh yeah, this looks decent for the rejection here, but I know my problem. Yeah, blow the screen.
Let this be it, bro. Let this be it. Don't take me out. Stop being a pussy. Where's the
Oh
30
my
second? Where's the 30-second chart, bro?
15-second chart, bro.
This shit looks bullish as fuck.
It does.
Oh
look
my
really
gosh, this shit looks bullish. This right here looks like a retest to go higher.
I'm taking YM, dude. Fuck you.
Oh God. You just don't care about anything.
I don't. I'm long YM.
Munch, he's gonna print too. He's gonna print. See, the thing is, I don't like getting out of my trades prematurely. Because then I start to lose my footing on where I believe the market is doing or where it's heading and stuff. So I literally have to take this loss.
Yeah, I agree. I don't blame you. I do not blame you.
Or I can get out, right? Cut for a small loss and then re-enter once I get more confirmation to the downside. I could do that.
Mm-hmm.
And if we go to the upside where my stop loss was, I could go long there.
Yeah.
I could do that. That's a lot of movement, but I could do that. What do you think? Should I cut and try again?
I don't know. I this area is just tough, bro. It just needs to digest. Honestly, that's the problem. It literally just needs
a good trade. This short trade was a really good trade. I really believe that this was a good trade.
The market is just fucking bullish. That's the only problem. It's just the market's bullish. So VIX is now in the red. I could see it pulling back here and then holding a bit.
No, this shit pulls back. If this shit gets back into this consolidation below my green line, that consolidation, I'd be happy.
It might work. Honestly, actually, yeah, I could see it.
I'd be happy. Prove to me that I'm the weakest part of my plan.
I'm not.
Prove to me by being hands-off, and waiting, regardless of how bad it looks. Prove to me.
Prove to me. Sing for me.
Dominic, break even. That's good, bro. I mean, as long as it's not a red day. Well, I mean, a red day is fine. Small red is good. Break even is good. Small green is good. Big green is good. The only thing you got to avoid is big red.
Yep.
If you didn't have a big red, today is a good day or a green day for you. For sure. For sure. Because those same habits, they're going to come out in the long term and you will start to print. You will start to print. Oh, there you go. That was my last chance.
No,
That was my last chance. This shit got to tank now.
it does need to tank now for you to work. You need this candle to reject here.
Hmm.
I like the subtle little sweep of that previous bar 16.
Axe, small green, good
Took a
shit.
break even today. Everything else just pumping, dude.
I need this weakness to increase. I need you to get back in here. Come on, get back in there.
There you go. Come on. The 600, bro, just fucking flirting with you.
Yeah. Yeah. 15-second chart.
There it is. There it is.
15 seconds. Where is it at? Boom.
Let's
15-second
follow
chart.
through. Let's see. Can we get real follow through here?
15-second chart.
Can we get
Come
real
on.
follow through here?
No.
God damn, dude. So bullish.
No, we can't. No, the fuck we can't. Oh my God. That was the
God,
retest.
so bullish. Yeah.
That was the fucking retest.
So bullish.
It ain't over till it's over, whores.
Good dance here. Yeah.
No, I think this is it.
Yeah, this looks pretty bullish, dude. Just looks like it's holding. Everything else is. That's the problem.
I want to get out and go long so bad, bro, but I'm trying to work on my habits.
Good. Then just wait.
I'm going to wait.
If you want to get real technical, it did make a lower high.
Yeah, that is a lower high. That
Just saying.
is. Do you
I'm
see
just
my
saying.
Matrix? You see my Matrix browser?
Yeah.
You like that shit?
Yeah. I do like
Yeah.
that shit. Not trying to send bad vibes. No trade. Want long above 21,250. Dude, no bad vibes at all. It's everyone has
not at all.
everyone has
I mean, I
their
think
own
it's bullish.
bias.
I think it's bullish,
Yeah.
honestly.
Me too. Yeah. We're
Yeah.
just watching price. We're just like, you know what? This totally could work. That's what we try to tell everyone, especially with one-on-one coaching. We're like, dude, whatever works for you and is your system and makes sense. It's like no one knows where the market's going from here. This could reject, it could go long. It's just like, but what does your system say? Like, what is, what's your risk reward? What's everything tell you to do? Like, that's all that matters. So
yeah. And I agree with you, Derek. I think it's bullish. I'm just working on my habits. I'm not even trying to worry about making money or losing money. I'm genuinely just trying to work on my habits. So I mean, I think that you honestly, the way that this looks very, very bullish. Honestly,
does look very bullish.
It looks very bullish. Honestly, I would have taken it down here. Where is it at? I would have taken this right here.
You need a real change in character here. That's the problem.
Yeah, I would have taken boom, 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 and then I would have entered right here, like right there, and that would have been my long. So I think that this is pretty bullish. I'm just trying to stick to my plan because this is my setup, right? Like my setup, we got a range right here. Let me fix this. So we got the range right here, right? High, low a day. We break out, we go right back inside the range, and then I just went short. I went short. High a day, my stop loss. Low a day, and some change is my profit target. And this lets me know this is like a little opening range sweep here, right? So this lets me know that even if I get stopped out here, we're in a trending market and I could go long. Now, the only problem here is if I get stopped out here and we go long, or I go long, my risk is going to be way more than I would like it to be because that wouldn't be a good entry. I would have to enter the moment I go long. So that's the biggest like decision I would have to make here. Do I just take the L or do I go long? Because probabilities are probably in my favor. The odds are probably going to work out in my favor. But just in case they don't, it'll be a slightly bigger loss. It's all about acceptance.
Yeah, this is just oscillating sideways.
Do we wait for news for our entry? We try to wait for it. I mean, me personally, I mean, I guess it's advised to wait for it, but I probably wouldn't.
Okay, there it goes.
Yeah.
Everything just pushing, dude.
Mm-hmm. Year.
My YM long would have worked, bro. My
Did you get out?
YM long. No, I never took it.
Oh, okay.
I actually got back in short with you.
Nice. I don't know, bro. This play was really good. This was a really
No,
good
it's not bad.
play.
Yeah, it's not bad. I'm
I
not
don't
against
regret
it.
this.
Yeah, I'm not
That's why I'm
against it.
still in it. That's why
Yeah,
I'm still in it, bro. Because this is literally my opening range. Boom, boom. We broke out, swept, got back inside of the range. I entered on the sweep, high day. We're going for lower day. That's it. That is the setup right there. And
Yeah.
we know the trade is still valid. That's the only reason why it looks bullish for now
yeah.
until it's not.
So it's not.
Until it's not. Yeah. Or it is and it stops me out. But this was a very good trade.
I can see this working.
This is I want everybody to see, like, this is the whole point of trading psychology. This right here, like, we have all bullish signs while I'm in shorts. If I'm looking at the noise, and the noise is all price action between my stop loss and my profit target. If I pay attention to all of this, and I'm looking at, where's my handy dandy brush? If I'm looking at all of this and I pay attention to all this, I'm like, bro, this is so bullish. This is so bullish. And then I hop out and then I go long, right? Before my trade was even invalidated. And then this shit turns around and now it looks like it's about to go short. And then I hop out of the long and then I jump back in short. Now I'm hopping in and out of trades and getting all these paper cuts. And next thing you know, my emotional capital is going downhill. And now I'm tilting.
Yeah.
I'm tilting. And that's how it all starts.
You're right. That's like,
That's
that's
how
really
it all
spot on.
starts.
It's exactly how it starts. When you start making those, that's the thing. Too many people don't let their trades like fully breathe and do their thing, because that's the hard part with futures is they're naturally like mean reverting products. Like they want to always kind of come back to the middle. So when we have these impulse moves, it's going to be like impulse, impulse, impulse. But like that's where they like screw everyone, because right when we break high a day, people go long, they get trapped. Right when we break low a day, people go short, they get trapped. And it's like that's literally it in a nutshell, bro. Because like, yeah, you gotta kind of just like let it trade in between this. Now, see on the 5 minute, this is starting to look a bit better for your short.
Yeah,
We
this
need,
doesn't. I
if this
mean, I
candle
need
can
some follow through.
yeah, we need follow through below 600 here, bro. We need follow through below 600. That's what you need. Follow through below 600. I'm short with you. I added to my position too. If I get stopped on this, I'll be down $200 on the day, which is whatever.
Oscar's in shorts. Nice of you to join us, Oscar. Who's in shorts? Let us know. Who's bears? Who's bulls? Let us know in the chat. Who's bears? Who's bulls? I need this candle to go ahead and tank for me. Dance for me.
Dance for me, baby. I just added a little bit more.
There we go. We're going back into the range.
This looks much better now. If we can get a closure of this 5 minute bar down here, that's what we need. But we still got 90 seconds though, which I do not like.
I'm cool with it. I mean, because my thing is, if, say, for example, if this right here was the retest, we should not be coming back again. We should have been taken off by now, right? Like, if we're going up, boom, nice little pullback, probably like enter something around here or enter right there if you're an early bird. You know, we come up and then we retest. We should have been taken off by now, honestly.
Yeah,
that's what I think. But we'll see.
Let's see.
We'll see. Because my first trade has not been invalidated just yet.
Yeah, it's a decent risk reward.
Yeah.
See how this shit closes.
Yeah.
See how it closes. It's all about the close here.
It cannot stay within that. I needed to close within this this back into this range.
Yeah, closing the range.
I need to close back within the range. There you go.
A little bit more. 20
But it
seconds.
keeps they keep buying up in there.
And this,
They keep buying that. They're buying that shit up. Let me see the 5 minute. 5 minute looks good.
the 5 minute looks good. The 5 minute does look good.
And whenever we're chopping like this, and it takes a very long time for this, like it's always good to go to like the 5 minute, 15 minute. The more chop, the longer it
Zoom
takes.
out.
Let's look at zoom out. Let's look at
When
the
in
15
doubt,
minute. The
zoom
15
out.
minute. 15 minute look good for shorts.
Yep.
But back inside this range, it looks good. Boom.
A little bit
You
more.
know, let's see if we can hold it. Hold it.
Hold the line.
Hold it. Who's going to carry the boats and the logs?
Who's gonna carry the logs?
Who's going to carry
Big
the
Bear
boats
Diner.
and the logs?
Big Bear Diner, baby.
This is the purpose of trading psychology, everybody.
Yeah, this pans
Staying
out.
in the trade. Yeah, bro. This is the perfect example.
I
of why
am
trading
Bear.
psychology is
Bear
so
is
important.
baby, also in shorts.
Yeah, Big Bear Diner. Big Bear Diner. Yes,
Big Bear
sir.
Diner, dude. I love it.
My man Edgar said, I am a bear. We are bears. I'm the bear. Bears, baby. Oh, I need this to close
Don't
though.
work-
I
yeah,
needed
we
to. I
need
needed
more
to close.
follow-through.
I needed to close.
Volume actually did pick up on these 2 minute bars, pushing down a little bit. But we need some fucking follow through, dude. Come
Yeah, bro.
on.
We need like a firm close. The 5 minute chart. This candle got to do it. Look at it. Look at it.
Come
Look
on.
at it. Crazy.
That's what we don't want to see.
You got to hold the line. Tough.
I don't like it.
I'm still
really
staying
don't
in.
like it.
I'm not invalidated yet.
I don't like it.
I need that ripper. But they're buying this shit up, bro. They're buying this shit the fuck up. What is right here? Is this just like a beautiful like this? Are they is this a yard sale? This is a garage sale? Where's Austin with his book maps? How about that?
I know, right?
Let me know what's below me. Let me see. This is
I'm gonna let it trade, bro. I'm just gonna let it trade. I'm either taking the $300 L on the day, or it's gonna be like a $1,500 winner for me. So whatever.
Look at this shit. Look at this sweeper. Look at this sweeper right here.
I know it's tough.
Look at that sweeper right there. And that's the play right here. You wait for a sweep, then you wait for an entry model. The entry model would have been right here.
Oh,
Stop loss right there. Yeah, we're about to take off. I think this is probably bullish. Yeah. You wait for the sweep, wait for the entry model. This was probably the retest right here. Then into the moon.
Dude, these fucking guys.
I'll tell you. Yeah, this ain't looking good. He said, "No, stop switching." I'm not switching. Like, I'm looking at both scenarios.
It's good to walk through scenarios of price of like, okay, what do I need to see for this thesis to be confirmed, right? What do I not want to see? What doesn't make sense? What's going to hurt it, right? So we're just kind of walking through price as it's happening. I mean, it is best just to go bar by bar and let it do the damn thing. But ideally, we're like, oh, I want to see this happen. I want to see this happen. I want to see this happen. Yeah, and when you don't see it, you're just like, okay, and I'm probably being invalidated here. It's like, because that's basically what's happening right now.
I mean, and the moment I officially switch is the moment I get out of my trade. If I'm still talking and actually, the action piece is two different things. Like, I might stop. Might get stopped out here. I see this isn't good, but I'm still in the trade. I'm gonna have to take a loss.
Dude, this thing is just fucking just. Buyers are just doing their thing, dude.
Yeah, I think that was our opportunity right there too. Yeah, look at that shit. Unless they reclaim this.
The last saving grace is this 620
Yeah.
area, bro. My 617. The level continues to level, but so
Mhm.
far it's just fucking bullish.
Yeah.
I'm letting it
Very
trade though.
bullish.
Either $300 L on the day, or like I said, big winner if it does follow through.
Gotta look at the 15-minute chart. Calm your emotions. Because 15-minute chart, it still doesn't look too. It still has a chance. But if I go to like the 2-minute chart, it looked real.
This
It looked
15-minute
real.
hammer looks fucking bullish.
They got to reclaim. They got to reclaim it.
They got to reclaim
It
it.
might.
Yeah. No.
It might.
I'm letting it
15
go.
minutes. Five more minutes till a 15-minute candle close. That's a lot of time.
Just letting it trade.
He said, "No, stop switching."
No, stop switching. We're just talking through price. We didn't actually take the. He didn't take any action. That's what's important. He's talking through it, but not taking any action.
Mental preparation.
Mental preparation.
Either way, this was a good try. I mean, I
think so,
can't.
too.
Yeah, this was a good try. Loss or no loss, this was a good try.
Mhm.
A great try. Like I said, my biggest decision right here is if I get stopped out, am I willing to risk it? Am I willing to add additional risk to go long?
I'm not. I can already sense myself being on tilt. If this fails, I can already feel it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make you. I'm gonna make you make me lock my account
Yeah, definitely.
on stream in front of everyone. I can just sense it, dude. I can just sense me being like, oh no, this should work. I want this to work.
That's good. Everybody has to learn that sense of their sense of mental capital. Like how much do they have left in the tank? How much more disappointment can you take before you start tilting?
Yeah. How much frustration can you take?
Mhm.
For sure. Everything's pointing bullish on this. RTY is ripping. YM's doing its thing.
Let's go back to SPY. What's SPY doing?
It's just holding the 9 EMA and fucking.
Yeah, this shit's bullish as fuck.
Pretty bullish.
Yeah.
But also just letting it trade. One of those. Just let it trade.
Lock it, both of them. That shit got you talking about the real. Yeah, that was funny.
Lock
Remember I
it.
told you.
Yeah,
both
that
of
was
them.
a good one because you know me, bro.
Yeah, like I know he got an extra account in there.
Keep doing this, guys. It's definitely more fun trading with someone else. Hell yeah, awesome. We for sure. That was the plan with this. We're like, we're just gonna keep doing it. Like we basically do this every day, like me and him. So we're like, we just might as well just throw it on YouTube and have you guys watch.
Yeah.
And it brings more accountability, like we said. Just a little bit less degenerate. Just a little bit less.
Just a little bit. I'm still gonna be me. Just a little bit.
Just a little bit, bro.
Let's go. Push.
Yeah.
My God, Chandra just told me he entered longs. Oh God, that's not a good sign. He's been on a winning streak. Fuck you, Chandra. Oh my God. Oh man, he's been on a winning streak. That's not a good sign.
Everyone check out Top One Futures if you haven't. Use code STRONG. Gotta always throw it in there. Gotta always throw it in there. This is just watching paint dry, my friend.
Yes.
Watching the paint dry. The worst is when you watch paint dry to your loss. that's
I know, right? I spent all this time just to lose.
You spent all that time just to watch it not work. but that's trading for you sometimes. So
You don't get paid for your time, you get paid for the opportunity.
yeah,
Your decisions.
yep.
Thing is, we went right back into this range 2 times.
We
Closed.
did. I think the kicker candle that still has me a little bit bearish that it might work is this. Let's see, 7, 8, 9. This 10, 25-minute bar.
1 minute.
No, 10, 25. Go to the 5-minute bar. See how we like barely peaked above. I'm like, maybe that's like the saving grace of like failed attempt to go higher. Very subtle, but
How to fuck around and find out.
I mean, everything so far just showing this is bullish. I'm not gonna lie. So it's like I'm not gonna be surprised either way. That's why I'm like, if it takes me out, I'm like, all right, that is what it is. Honestly, I think at this point, I'm gonna be more surprised if we just dump and fail. I'm like, okay, let's go.
Mhm. Josh, on a positive note, your trades did work. They were beautiful scalps down, but ace high. Yeah, I mean, maybe.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, the shorts we took.
Mm-hmm.
I'm long and walking away. Crush it, Derek. Good luck, brother.
Good shit, bro.
Waking up early to lose money is the worst. LL shit fucks with me. Yeah, I mean, it's just part of it, man. It's literally just part of it.
Mhm.
Literally part of it.
Yeah.
This shit's about to take us out.
Yeah, I'm gonna go long as soon as I get stopped out.
Are you actually?
I probably shouldn't because if I take this loss, then I'll be down $400 for the day. And if I take and that's fine because we'll just come back tomorrow. But if I take another trade and I lose that one,
You'll
I
be
most likely
frustrated.
I'll probably be down 1,000 on the day.
Yeah, you don't want that.
So I have to make a decision pretty soon here.
I can just sense myself, dude, just being like, I can sense myself about to be stopped and be like, I want more. I want it. Especially because I was up
Yeah.
600 at one point on that trade. I mean, I didn't manage it well. Just like it's my fault.
I don't think the fact that you didn't manage it well, there was just no follow through, bro.
I
Like
know.
I can't blame you for that one. Like I would tell you if you managed it wrong. I would tell you.
I know.
Yeah. If Derek and Chandra say that they're going long, chances are, because they're pretty good performers. I'm not gonna lie to you. Their hit rate is pretty solid.
I mean, everything is pointing that it's bullish. We're for sure going counter trend.
Mm-hmm.
Like this is such bullish action. It's disgustingly bullish, in my opinion.
Yeah. There you go. Well, that's gonna be my $400 loss for the day.
I'm out. Took me out.
I hope it edges and then crashes. This is your time to shine. Crash.
Should do that. Just that fucking impulse. That first impulse down into QQQ VWAP just held so well.
Yeah, this ain't good, my friend. The moment I saw this little sweep right here, I should have just went ahead and got out.
Yeah,
Sweep entry model.
That was the on dude on ES. That one was clean, bro. This would be crazy if this didn't take you out.
That would be crazy. Yeah, I think it is though. That sweep, man, that ES sweep is that is textbook right here.
That's so
Sweep
textbook, bro.
entry model, bro.
Look at the retest
That's
of the
so-
range, bro. Look at the retest of that range.
Yeah, that shit's crazy.
That's crazy.
It's beautiful, actually. Like this is really like
It's
a
like
work of art.
super textbook, bro.
Yeah, bro. Super textbook. This is the shit that you actually look in the textbook and it plays out just like this.
Yeah.
That's like,
It's a break and
man,
retest. It's like a perfect break and retest.
it's literally the perfect break test. Damn,
Ridiculous,
bro.
bro.
Let me see.
I knew I should have taken that YM long, dude. That's the easy money trade of the day. I'm gonna journal.
Yep, here we go. Man, this is a probabilities based loss right here. Like this wasn't a performance based loss at all.
Man, just the market's just bullish, dude. It's just so hard to short right. Like it's so difficult to short right now. Every single time, any like shorts just don't follow through. They just literally don't follow through. And then the one day you like want to go long, the market just dumps. It's like how it works.
By the time
Literally.
you adapt.
Every time. That's how it works.
That was pretty
Damn,
good
there was
trade.
some super clean pullback to VWAPs today, dude. Wow. Like really wow. This RTY pullback to VWAP was actually insanely good. Just going and going.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the stop out. I'm waiting for the stop out.
It's just slow, real slow here.
And there's liquidity up here, so there's unless we get like a crash, I don't even believe in this. There's some liquidity up here, so it's going to react and then it's going to trail back up. I guess he just got into shorts here. So be careful, brother. Here we go.
Here it goes.
Boom. There it is.
Out.
There it is. Ooh.
Well, that's real trading for you guys.
Mm-hmm.
You know, you can't fight the market. And
You cannot.
that's it. That's it. Unfortunately. And honestly, just for the day too, I mean, we've only had literally from the open until now, we've only moved like 100 points.
I want to take the long, Tanner. I want to take the long.
Do whatever you want, bro.
Bet.
I'm gonna say
Bet.
no.
I took it.
All right.
I took it.
At least go heavy and aggressive for the people.
Oh yeah, for sure. I mean, they only allow me to do micros.
That's
So
right.
I can only do 5 micros, bro.
I know.
If it wasn't that, I damn sure probably would have added some size there for the people.
Yeah.
For sure. Look at Chandra. TP hit done for the day.
Yeah, there it is.
I told you, man. This dude, he's on like this guy is really an animal, bro.
Locked in.
He's a fucking animal, bro.
Locked in.
There's something wrong with this guy. Like he just knows. He trades SMTs all the time.
That's what do they work, man. They do. But when they don't, they take you out hard. But if he knows, he knows.
Yeah. If he knows, he knows. I don't even think we'll be on stream long enough to see this play out.
No, I'm gonna shut it down. Only got till 8 a.m. in me, which is 11 a.m. Eastern time. That's it.
You have 7 minutes.
That's 7 minutes, bro. 7 minutes.
And just to show you guys the setup that I'm trading right now. So I'm on the 5-minute. Clearly there's a uptrend. We got a nice little pullback. Nice little pullback right here, kind of like a retest type deal. We broke above here. This would have been the ideal entry. That's why I set the entry right here and then do a 2R. So even though I entered right here late because I had to wait for this stop out right there, this would have been my ideal entry if I had an initial long bias, and then I would go for a simple 2R. So if it hits that 2R, then I'll be up $300 on the day. Small green. We can work with it.
Can work with it. Yeah, this is just classic bullish, slow, grindy action. What I should have done is when we reclaim 600 on that one I was in the money candle, I should have been like, nah, this is gonna fail. I should get out and move to break even. I think that's what I should have done. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Your best friends in trading are always shoulda, coulda, and woulda.
Facts. I mean, like I said, bro,
Dominic,
like,
do what you want.
Yeah, he did say, "Do what you want, bro."
Do what you want, bro.
That's all I needed. That's all I needed to hear.
Just got to stop walking away from the computer. Come back tomorrow. Good shit, Edgar.
Yeah, we'll see you tomorrow, Edgar.
See you tomorrow.
For sure. Yeah, man, we'll be here. Oscar said 5 micros long. Yeah, me too, bro.
5 micros long.
We're in this. We're in this together. The crazy part is, like sometimes, like it can be complex for the 5-minute chart to go to 2R. I see it go to 1.5 a lot before it goes to 2R. So I might start scaling out.
The thing, well, yeah, the thing is, we just got that push. It's like I just hate entering that. Like that's like entering at the highs type shit. I just don't like doing
it.
It
is.
I'm not a fan of doing that at all.
So we have this nice little level right here, 693s, and I believe that will hit. I'm gonna hold it. Because I'm pretty sure we're gonna hit 690, 695. Hold it.
See, I can see this pulling back right here, and then just it needs to retest 617, 620 and hold, or it's just gonna grind and just go.
Yeah, either or.
Be super grindy and just go. Let's see.
We're all in this together. My friend just texted me and my other friend in the group chat. So I must talking about. I appreciate y'all boys. I don't know what that means.
Well,
I appreciate him too.
We appreciate, yeah. Much love. All the love. All the love. Wow.
Yeah, what time are your calls? I have a busy day today. Oh my god. I just thought about it. Oh,
I got 5 calls today, bro.
6. I have 6 freaking calls today, bro.
5 calls, bro.
I have 6 calls. Oh man. I'm gonna have to, like, I don't know. He'll be so disgusted with me. I haven't been to the gym in a week.
Dude, what the you're fired.
Damn. He's so disgusted with me, bro.
You're fired, bro. You're fucking fired, bro.
Damn. I haven't been in a week, bro. I gotta go.
Oh my god.
Got to go, Miss Cole. Oscar said y'all deserve a foot job. Who's gonna give it to me, Oscar?
Foot job.
Who's gonna give it to me?
Foot job, huh? You think this thing just grinds all the way to the wick, bro? The 850?
To the 850?
Yeah, on the daily chart.
Let me see.
Maybe. It really might.
Oh, for sure. I don't know if it'll be today, but for sure. Absolutely.
Not, I mean, yeah, well, that's what I'm saying. Is it going to be today? Is the question.
I think we're going to get to six. I think we're going to 700s today. I don't know if we'll get to 860 today. We might though.
It's
It's a
pumping.
it's a straight shot. There's
Volumes are
nothing
picking
in the
up,
way.
too.
There's nothing
Yeah.
in the way. Why you get that song stuck in my head? Fucking Tanner.
We're all in this together.
And this is also a good look where we were looking at bullish scenarios. So the moment I got into this this long, I already knew what I was going to do.
Yep.
I already knew what I was going to do.
Yep. 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 Yep.
Terrible entry, beautiful setup.
It's just going, dude.
Mm-hmm. It sure is. That baby pumping.
Just cruising. Steady mobbing.
When that pullback come, it's going to test. That's going to be a character, a test of character right there.
It is. It is.
When
It is. That's for sure.
Pullback come, how bad you believe in your plan? How much you believe in your plan when that pullback comes?
Literally, I know, because it's so grindy and slow for sure.
Yep. How much you believe in your plan?
How much you believe in your plan is right.
Mm-hmm. You know what's crazy? I'm on this streak, and I've never gotten like every time I trade Asia, and I win my session, which I did last night. I can never win the next day's session off
New
the
York?
first trade. Off the first trade.
Yeah, I think I haven't noticed that actually. For you, but
yeah, the first trade, a New York session after I win Asia session, it doesn't exist.
Yeah.
Because I was up $300 going into New York session. I'm down 430.
Damn. It's tough. It's tricky.
And if I do win this trade, then I'm going to be up $300 again.
Right back to where you were.
I might as well not have traded. Yeah, like
I know it's tough, bro. It's like, what do you do with that?
No. And I can't even add to my position. That's the shitty part.
Yeah. I know, that's right. You're locked in. You're limited.
Yep. Yep.
Tough shit.
But at least I'm out of my drawdown streak. That shit was fucking horrible. You remember that shit?
Yeah, I do.
That shit was horrible. I couldn't win nothing to save my fucking life. Next time, every thesis that I have, I'm just gonna do the fucking opposite.
Do the exact opposite.
The exact opposite, bro. I'm gonna scale out. At this white line.
Yeah, I think so. We're just kind of getting pretty overextended here. It's probably smart to scale some soon.
Yeah. So it'll probably still be like a small red day for me if I don't scale out right there.
Yeah.
Or should I just let the whole thing play out? I mean, because a 2R, it can reach a 2R.
It's going. That's what I'm saying. It might be one of those where this might fill the wick. Like it might fill the wick today type shit.
Yeah. I'm gonna let it run. I'm gonna let it go.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I'm gonna let it go.
Totally.
If I lose, I lose. I just think said the market took a honey pack. Oh my gosh, bro! Look at Derek. TP hit. I told you, bro. Whenever Chandra,
I'm walking away.
Yeah. That's something that's exercise we work on. Whenever Chandra and Derek say that they're doing something, bro, if they're both doing the same thing, chances are those are my golden indicators.
Literally, like it's just gonna work.
Right. The moment they tell me, "Hey, I'm in," I might as well just jump in. Do no type of analysis. Just do it.
Yeah, just follow blindly.
E-Trader, where can I see your course? We don't have one.
We don't got a course. Check out strongtraining.com. Learn more about one-on-one coaching. No
Yeah,
course. Though.
Yeah, and we have merch too.
Yep.
Yeah, merch. Buy yourself a hat, a trucker hat. Those shits are hard, by the way. I need to buy me one. Yeah, the trucker hat. This shit's hard, bro.
I'll just send you one, bro. Fucking, you don't ask.
Oh my god, you're amazing.
I'll send you one. Least I
That
can
shit's
do.
hard.
Least I can do, bro. The absolute least I can do.
For some reason, I kind of feel like that question was like a baited question.
Where can I find your course?
Yeah, yeah. I feel like that was just like a trap, waiting for us to walk into.
Yeah. Where can I see your course? I know, because everyone just assumes every trader has a course.
Yeah. Here's my test of character right here.
There's this whole dude might just keep going, bro.
Mm-hmm.
I
I
think
do
you're
wonder if it's going to take out that wig, bro. There's nothing in the way here.
I
Nothing.
know it's just going. It's just literally going.
There's nothing in the way. We're just going to stick to the daily chart. I don't even want to look at the noise in between.
Yeah. Literally.
I think we can make it to my TP looking at the daily.
This rate is just going, bro.
Mm-hmm.
It might be one of those where everyone's trying to like hit these, like trying to short it, and then it just never. There's just no shorts that play out, and it just fucking goes. It's just a rip.
How much of an asshole would I be if I do this?
What?
Look at my TP.
Extreme asshole. What is
I'm
that?
gonna do
How
it.
much is that
I'm going to do it for the people.
for the people?
I'm going to do it for the people.
Dude, I mean, realistically, that is the target. Like I said, like when
Yeah.
are we going to fill that wick, right?
Yeah. Because, I mean, it's only 11 o'clock. We have 6 hours to go.
Yeah. It's true. It totally could do it, bro. I don't think you're going to sit on stream for 6 hours, but
No, I'm not. What I might do is go ahead and turn off my camera, keep the stream going so they can see the chart.
you could.
But that'd be boring to look at.
Yeah, I think you should just end it.
Yeah.
I think you're good, bro. I think you're good.
So you're good, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna hop off, bro. I'm gonna show everyone though that I'm locking my accounts, so I'm not some fucking degen.
Yeah, go ahead.
I know I want to fucking. I know I want to do it. I know I want to trade. All right, for the
Let me see
culture,
it.
because I committed to doing
Let me
this.
see it.
I'm pulling it up. Give me a second.
Damn it.
I'm removing your bitch ass from stage, dude. Okay. Locking out, negative 350 on the day. All day lockout. Yes, lock me out.
What's the other one?
Go in. I gotta do this. I gotta remove the copy trading. Clear. Save. Lock out all day. Lock me out. All day. Lock me out.
Here's the test of faith right here.
L's in the chats. But it's okay. It happens.
That's why my first name is Lawrence.
Made
That's why my
700
first name starts
yesterday.
with one.
Made 700 yesterday. Lost 350 today. Lost half of it. But it's all good. It was controlled. It could have been easily a tilt frustration day. I could just sense it. I could feel it. So, we did the right thing.
Smell it.
But all right, I'm hopping off. Good sesh.
All right,
Thanks for joining.
I'm about to hop,
Appreciate all of you.
off too. It sucks
All right.
talking to myself.
More fun together.
Yeah. See you tomorrow.
All right, later. Make sure you don't close out StreamYard.
Okay.
I'll end it right here.
All right.